Good morning, world. It's been a while. I know, don't be mad. Maybe you don't care, but I had to take a mental break. Been working on some things. We're going to an antique shop today, and I'm gonna have a special guest with me, and it's one of the biggest here in our city, so I'm super excited, hoping that we don't spend too much time or money, or maybe we'll find some goodies. But it's always fun to go looking for some treasures. And we're gonna do a stop at a new coffee shop here in town. I think a lot of us are excited for, so today would be a great opportunity. Let's get going. Guys, it's Shelby.
Hello.
We're in line now for the Dutch coffee, and we have no idea what to order.
If someone could let us know right now.
What's your order for Dutch coffee? Because by the time we see this, we would have
too late. So thanks.
If you're watching this, it's too late. So this company comes from California, is that right? Do we know?
I don't know.
Do you
Let me
know?
look. Let's see.
I thought it was California. Oregon.
One of the best states.
It's gotta be. I'm hoping it's good coffee. It's gotta be good coffee. So I think I'm gonna do nice coffee because Shelby's talking me into it.
It's the only way.
Yeah.
Iced coffee or no coffee.
Yeah. They have a protein coffee, so maybe I'll do that. But I'm hungry and there aren't sufficient options for like food, so we may have to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
How are you?
Hi, good, you?
Doing good. I have a medium caramel the cold brew and a chocolate chip muffin top.
No. What's the music up in there?
I can smell
Here's
it.
the salty caramel,
Yay.
and here's the vanilla.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too.
All right, we got a green and a blue straw.
Should we park?
Yeah, we should park.
First, there's something with these straws, so
Yes,
let's close
apparently
our
the
eyes.
straws.
Close
Okay.
our eyes.
Okay.
Just
Just
where's your
grab one.
hand?
Okay, got it. All right, blue.
Green.
Oh.
What? No! What does it mean?
Blue means you're rude,
No way!
and green means you're unsightly or unattractive. But this
Josh! Is that true?
pink means you're cute or pretty, orange, mysterious, strange, or weird, yellow, average.
What? What?
This
It's not
hurts.
true. I'm gonna go ask him if he thinks it's true.
This hurts, but
Yeah.
I don't think we're rude or unsightly. But you guys let us know because you watch the whole interaction.
Yeah. All right. Cheers. Here we go. Ooh.
It's good.
It's strong.
It is strong. I was gonna say. I mean, I don't really drink a lot of coffee to know whether coffee is good or not, so I can't really form much of an opinion. But I agree. It is strong. It is
Yeah,
good.
it's not like too milky. Mmm. Good calm iced on the iced coffee. Good job, guys. Thank you. Okay.
Cheers.
On our way to get a snack and then to the store. So
Yes.
we'll get there. We'll get there.
What? Let's get this bread. What is delish?
Truffle oil, chives, and fresh ground pepper.
I'm good with whatever.
How would you think avocado with jerk chicken on a sandwich?
Information. Instagram.
I try to submit it like that.
Rejected.
Rejected.
Taste test. One bite, everyone knows the rules.
One of the best bagels in Jacksonville. They're a little, I would say they're a little more than you would expect, like price-wise, but it's worth it. You're supporting a local business.
One bite, everyone knows the rules. Very good.
So yum.
Delish. I recommend.
Shelby knows best.
Truly.
Of course. Avalaya Antique Mall is a must-visit in Jacksonville Southside. It has over 40,000 square feet and featuring over 200 dealers offering everything from furniture, china, glassware, jewelry, artwork, linens, collectibles, and more. As you can see, this is why I like this place. And okay, Queen, heading over to their super amazing restroom. It's like a dressing room and they have things in there for sale as well. Super cool. Must stop by if you need to. Eventually you will need to use the restroom because it's such a big place. Hello, Mona Lisa. This mall is truly a gem. Great to find unique gifts, thoughtful gifts, anything for the house, furniture. It was just overwhelmingly amazing. My videos do not do justice for all the things that were in this place. This booth was probably one of my favorites. It was French inspired clothes and art. Very cool. Wait, hold up. Is that the mirror from my guest bedroom? They even had a Christmas section and a very distinguished gentleman. I can't express enough how much I love to go antique shopping. You get to walk through so many eras of life. It's truly amazing. So give yourself an opportunity. And oh, it's Snoopy.
All right. Review of the first stop.
It's extremely big in there.
Yes.
It is like a Walmart.
Thank you. Sebastian, when you watch this, I just want you to know that we actually do think it's close to the size of a Walmart.
Pretty big, and I got hungry halfway in. I don't know if it was the overthinking, but they placed the cafe at the right spot because you're just like, okay, I need this little snack. We didn't eat anything.
We might refuel at some point.
Yeah.
But if you're looking for gifts for a very specific thing that someone's into, that's the place to go.
Yeah.
You could find something for anyone there.
Yeah.
Except for ourselves.
I walked out with nothing. Shelby will show you soon what she got.
Yeah, we'll do a haul at the end.
We're gonna do one more stop.
Yeah.
Just to see what else we can find. Prices, they're antique store pricing, you know?
Yeah.
They're not gonna be cheap. Thrifting versus antique shopping is totally different, so.
And since each booth is priced differently, like some of them are really good deals, and then some of them, they're off their rockers. Respectfully. Those prices were a little out of hand sometimes, but then sometimes it's a really good deal, so you know.
But I
gotta respect the hustle.
I always say it's worth it if it makes you happy.
Exactly.
No matter the price.
All right, stay tuned. Leslie in her natural habitat, doing her Oh wait, I wasn't even recording. Oh, maybe I was recording the whole time. I don't know how many clips we're gonna have, but we have a wild Leslie in her natural habitat, doing Leslie things, hunting and gathering for some kitchenware. Has she found something? Everyone, beware. The beast has found her prey. Moment of truth. It's cute. It's cute. It's giving New England fall. If you know, you know. Take me back. Oh. I think you have to style it. Like maybe, well, the sleeves are a little long.
Some like knee-high boots.
Oh, and like a little belt around the waist.
I see it.
The vision is there. She's a visionary. Leslie is a whole vibe, okay? Check her out. Look at what we've got going on. This is how it gets done, ladies and gents.
Renaissance of fashion.
Now, what do we think about this one? Yes, show the class. It's a whimsy, right? It's nice and whimsy.
Silver butterflies.
I'm in my whimsy era. I've never seen a belt like so. It's a little big, perhaps like very big, but I feel like I can make it work. We'll see.
Time for the final reveal.
Get ready. It's a good one. All right, my biggest piece, this little side table from Goodwill, $5, okay? It's giving Urban Outfitters. If you know, you know. Look up. They have stuff like this. Okay, Christian and Gracie, I'm talking to you if you happen to watch this vlog. Then, also from Goodwill, I'll continue. Leslie found this for me, and it's going to be perfect for my trip to Italy.
Oh my god, it's giving me all the vibes.
Yes, a little scarf or something with it. You know. Then,
Bella.
then I found this like little belt.
She went for the belt, ladies and gentlemen.
Pieces on it. I have some other clips potentially might make it in the vlog. I'll have to add a little hole to it, but
I think it works.
it's a vibe. Then the antique store, okay? Get a close-up shot of this.
Oh my gosh.
This is Sebastian and I, this is me, this is him, and this is our loving cup. And it's a little photo album. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And I got this board game because honestly, thrift store is the best place to get board games. Way cheaper, just all around. 10 out of 10 recommend, if it has all the pieces. So this is one we don't have.
Now for my turn. Found this really pretty coffee book. Photos in good condition. Oof, just for some inspo around the house. My second coffee book. Really heavy book, guys. I guess this one goes for $75.
You're kidding.
No.
What a steal.
If anything, oh my gosh. Anything, these types of books are really good finds at a thrift store. I think they were $3.99 maybe?
I think it was $2.
$2.99?
No, like $2.
Oh, $2.
$1.99.
Found this little, I think it's snakeskin. I was doing a quick search on it, but I love mustard yellow and some brass. You could use
How
this
could
as
you
a
not?
Purse. You could use this as a purse. It's really pretty. This I might use from some of my electronic stuff for travel. I think it's from an online brand.
Tags.
New with tag. Gotta clean it up a little. Pineapples, if you know what they mean, this has nothing to do with me. It's irrelevant. I think they're delicious, but I'm not a pineapple person. Do you know what that means?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
If you flip it upside down, that's what I've heard.
Well, it's gonna be right side up. This was so pretty. It's
Very
a
good
Jacksonville
find.
mug. Yeah. That's another thing I like to buy a lot of mugs because I switch them out and they make me happy in the morning. So this was an oversized Polo Ralph Lauren sweater. I think we're gonna put them with high knee boots in the fall. Maybe it's
Can
gonna
you
be
see
a
the
pajama.
vision?
I'm not too sure. But a little tip for you guys: when you buy thrifted clothes, you want to smell them because if it comes from a smoky house, you know it's hard to get out. So
All the
FYI.
tips.
A navy blue belt to wear for my, nautical looks. It's got a nice little
Yes.
box on there. And that was it. I spent about $30. Don't tell nobody. But we saved a lot of money. So
Yes.
look at it with the on the saving side. Hello. I'm excited because we have, for a change, an outdoor project, and we have the famous Farm & Co. on Instagram. If you want to learn about chickens and gardening, she drove all the way up to me to help me with my little Zenia Garden. So we've prepared the land, and then we're gonna put some bricks here, make it a little small spot, and then plant some of my babies right here.
Zinnias.
My zinnias. So just gonna have some fun out here for a change. Let me show you my babies. Got a few pots. I started these from seeds. I'm so proud. These are a little curvy. These are growing nice and straight. So I'm hoping they'll all survive, but apparently one is gonna give me a lot of flowers. It gets really big. So we'll see how they do.
I think these are meant for $2, all three,
$2.97
something like that.
at Home Depot.
All you
Can you
need.
see me? The camineurs in. Took us about 5 bags. And now we're gonna put 4 of the little Zenia girls in there. Also, I know I say this every year, but for those of you that want to move to Florida, look at this. I sweat more than the usual Floridian out here, but look
Also, we
at
have
this.
We have the biggest, the longest growing season, so maybe reconsider what she's trying to tell you. But they're about to get scorched.
Oh.
Yeah. So not great. You're supposed to transplant like in the morning or like maybe in the evening so that they have all night to acclimate.
Oh, geez. Here goes nothing. Just want to end this video with saying hope you had a great time with us. We have other adventures planned. I have a few videos that I need to edit. Cabo, Costa Rica from last year, and I haven't forgotten that we still got to do the foyer. I've been taking a mental creative break. Like I said, focusing on other things, and I don't like to force the flow. I like to let it flow. I'm hoping to pick up and start vlogging again. So let me know what you want to see and what you guys have been up to lately. But I'll try to get these videos out and catch you on the next one and continue making memories with you guys and for you guys. Bye guys.